Hello, this is Damian from Spotahome, Valencia, and today I'm going to show you this 4-bedroom apartment in Calle Cofrentes. Actually, I'm going to show you 2 bedrooms because the other 2 are rented right now when I'm recording the video. We're on the first floor right now, and here we have the living room. So as you can see, we've got all this open area with a small bed here, a couch, an armchair, we've got a table with a lamp, another glass table here in front of a TV, and a bookshelf behind of it, and also a table with 6 chairs right here, and this big window with the street view. The access to the balcony is right here, and we've got 2 chairs, as you can see, and this view from the balcony. Okay, so it was the living room, and now as we continue, we've got the access to the kitchen right here, so let's take a look. And we've got a round table here with 4 chairs, the microwave, all the kitchen equipment you can find within the drawers, and shelves right here. Here we've got gas stove, oven, we've got the double sink right here, and the fridge in this part. Also from the kitchen is also exterior, the other side of the building, and the access to the laundry room is right here. So we've got this separate room with the washing machine right here. Alright, so now let's take a look at the bathroom and bedrooms. So the bathroom is right here, and we've got a sink, toilet, and a shower with a bathtub right here, bidet on this part. And now we have bedroom number 1 right here, which is rented, and this is bedroom number 2 with a single bed, desk with a chair, and the exterior window with this really nice park view. Here we've got the shelves, chest of drawers right here, and built-in wardrobe in this part. Also here we've got another bookshelf. Yes, and this was bedroom number 2. Now 3 is rented right now, and bedroom number 4 is right here. So as you can see, we've got a single bed here, shelf in this part. Here we've got the wardrobe, built-in wardrobe, and the view from this window is on the laundry room. This is how it looks from here. Alright, so that will be it. Thank you very much. This is Damian for Spotahome Valencia, and see you next time.